welcome. Gonna do a quick test. The sound was all mucked up on my first attempt. So, I'm basically just gonna run through it again real quick. So here we go. I'm gonna fire up a session and click on host. So I'm hosting a session right now. And of course we have the option to change characters. Roxy and Sydney. Or go with Sydney. Okay, so I'm gonna head off to the apartment, the pad. Why not? We'll go ahead to the pad. And here we are at the pad, all ready to get ready for the concert. Yeah. So I'm thinking it might be cold, so let's get a jacket, right? Yep, I did something wrong. Yeah, you know it. Here we go. Sydney, and let me get the right thing here. We're still working some stuff out. There we go. I did something wrong. In any case, here we go. Gonna head off to the concert, and let's do it. Yeah. So it starts out, we're gonna get the initial cinematic. I did jury rig some controls so that it used to only just play the cinematic. But I can intervene with a few keystrokes that I've jury rigged, and we're gonna do that right now, change some views. And I'm manually changing the views right now, and I'm gonna open up the screen a little bit so you can see. Now, my character is here. I'm gonna jump screens till we find it. There I am, right down there. See it? See it? I know you can't. Cannot see. Got a better view right here. There it is. Just to prove that I'm working, I'm gonna move. I'm gonna go up. Yeah. And I'm gonna see if I can change characters. I'll become Ryan. There we are, Ryan. Become Roxy. Become Andy. Yeah. Back to Sydney. And there we go. Yeah, that works. Oh my goodness, I gotta go run somewhere real quick. How about I run to the Maui pool? Yeah. Alright, we're at the Maui pool. And I lost my coat when I changed my avatar. So I'm getting my... Oh, come on. Don't do that. Be nice to me. Yep, we gotta work on that one. That's something that shouldn't happen. But that's okay. We're making progress. We are. Now back to the concert. Yeah. And then we are. And I'm gonna have to break the cinematic and go find myself. Yeah. I'll stay with this one. This is a good view. Yeah. Again, the full character is fully workable here. We're just being taken over. The camera cinematics are taken over. We still have to hook up the character camera so that I can jump to that, but that's to come. you go. A demo of our project so far using the arena available on Unreal Project with some tweaks. Didn't quite go in exactly as is, but it went in pretty well. I can jump around and give you a pretty good view of what the stage looks like now that it's well lit. It's not well lit when you start. So you can see this is a big place. Yeah, about 6 gigabytes worth. It's pretty good size. But yeah, a lot of fun potential. We got a lot of plans to test out DMX here, get our own light effects in here, and our own controls, and it's going to be a good time. All right, here we go. Thanks.